Want to change the scratch disk location in Photoshop? Here is how you can do it. This is the Windows Club. Scratch disk is a predefined disk that stores all the temporary files of Photoshop when it is running. If Photoshop is not running on your computer, this pre-selected disk is not being used at all. This disk could be a hard disk drive or solid-state drive. Photoshop uses this particular storage facility to keep its temporary required files so that the RAM doesn't get full. As a high amount of RAM or memory is required to run Photoshop smoothly even when multiple tabs are opened, Photoshop uses another drive to store temporary files in order to make the RAM run fluently. By default, Photoshop uses the same drive as your system drives, as the scratch disk. Here we have shown how you can change the scratch disk location in Photoshop. Let's get started. Open the Photoshop app. Click on the Edit menu. Select Preferences, then Scratch Disks. Tick the drive you want to use as the scratch disk. Click the OK button. Restart Photoshop. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.